Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Bard, the new AI from Google. Bard is a large language model, which means it's been trained on a massive dataset of text and code. This allows Bard to generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. What is Bard? Bard is still under development, but it has learned to perform many kinds of tasks, including answering your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. Generating different creative text formats of text content, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. Translating languages. Writing different kinds of creative content, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. Helping you with your tasks by following your instructions and completing your requests thoughtfully. Accessing and processing information from the real world through Google search and keeping its response consistent with search results. Controlling smart home devices. Playing music, podcasts, and audiobooks. Setting alarms and timers. Making phone calls and sending text messages. Getting information about the weather, news, and traffic. Helping you with your shopping and travel plans. Playing games. Telling jokes and stories. Helping you learn new things. Being your friend and companion. How does Bard work? Bard works by using a technique called deep learning. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that allows computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. In Bard's case, the data it learns from is a massive dataset of text and code. This allows Bard to learn the patterns of human language and code, which in turn allows it to generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. What can I do with Bard? There are many things you can do with Bard. Here are a few ideas. Use Bard to help you with your work. Bard can help you with tasks like writing reports, creating presentations, and doing research. Use Bard to learn new things. Bard can help you learn about a variety of topics, from history to science to current events. Use Bard to be more creative. Bard can help you write poems, stories, and songs. It can also help you come up with new ideas for projects and businesses. Use Bard to have fun. Bard can help you play games, tell jokes, and learn new things. In conclusion, Bard is a powerful new AI that can help you with a variety of tasks. It's still under development, but it has learned to perform many kinds of tasks, including answering your questions in an informative way, generating different creative text formats of text content, translating languages, writing different kinds of creative content, and helping you with your tasks. I encourage you to try Bard out and see what it can do for you.